Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I am in Manila, capital city of Philippines, and I'm traveling to a so beautiful park here. As you can see, it's having a lot of flag, greenery, and it's so clean. So let's see. I found some so beautiful colors. Look at the flag, it's so good.
Manila में
Time there is some people come here
हाँ
night time.
only in the evenings.
Up to 11.
That's good.
After 11, these people will stay 24 hours here.
Mhm.
Open nila sila. Forest, Forest Park. Rizal Park.
Here I found a so beautiful white color pigeon, as you can see on the screen. It's so good, and it's a lot of pigeons here, and there is someone who is feeding them. Look at them, it's so beautiful.
Yes, plus I have my flashlight in my back. The
Hmm.
flashlight is allowed to.
Not be carried only in hand baggage. The use of charging of power banks is not permitted at any time during the flight, and power banks should remain in visible locations at all the times. Should any device emit heat, smoke, or any unusual odor, kindly inform a cabin crew member immediately. Thank you.
We have a new passenger, new friend, waiting to come in the front. You can request. Hello, Ji.
On my side, I have a new friend, and he was playing so old movie, that is Gadarik Prem Katha. So that is one of the oldest movie. This is the view outside for Manila. So this is so beautiful, Manila city, full of lights. And I'm flying with Air India. That's one of the newest airplane they ordered this year. And let's see, I'll show you what I sees next. In this aeroplane, everything works so perfectly because it's brand new, but we are Indians, we don't leave the things as it is. Our civic sense level is really worst. So some of the seat covers are already have been broken. I don't know why. But the screens are really working well, and it's very good thing as compared to the old aircrafts they have. So I'm flying non-stop from Manila to Delhi, and it's a 6 hours flight. I'll say it's really good experience as compared to having a lot of stops, and earlier it used to take 15 to 20 hours to reach Delhi, but now it's really good. It just takes 6 hours, so it's kind of best thing. Air India, well done. So welcome to Delhi. This is the night view of Delhi, and it's early in the morning, around 3:50 in the morning, and you can see there is a lot of beautiful lights. Roads are having a lot of cars, busy traffic even in the night. So welcome back to India, and my upcoming vlogs you will see with my India, and I'll show you the beautiful places from my India, my beloved country India. thank you very much for watching this vlog, and I hope you are doing very well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. And thank you once again, and stay tuned for my upcoming travel vlogs in India, and I will show you the most beautiful places people have never seen before. And thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.